Now we'll read about why we need chemistry. Chemistry हमें कौन में पढ़ेगा? What are the applications in it? We live longer. Chemistry has given a comfortable life to us. We live longer. मैं अधिक दिन बंची पारूँ. Healthier, स्वस्थ भावरे, and more comfortable because of chemistry. So we need chemistry to live longer. To live longer. It is due to the preparation of or the applications in the medicine field or in the medical field. To live longer, we need the good foods. To live longer, healthier and more comfortable life. We maintain a comfortable life. We maintain a comfortable life because of chemistry. And chemistry has many applications in different fields. They are as follows. Let us come to know the applications of chemistry in the different fields are as follows. Number one, in foodstuff, खाद्य सामग्री ऊपर है. In foodstuffs, we prepare good quality foods which are rich in proteins, vitamins, etc. In foodstuffs means it is enriched in proteins, vitamins, etc. Those food materials are also preserved. ताको हम सब संरक्षण कर रखि पारियो for a longer period. Preservation of food. Preservation of food materials. Food materials mean the two things: preparation of good quality food and preservation them for a long time. It is in foodstuffs. Number two, in agriculture. In agriculture, it is two types. In agriculture, चाष पर देखिए हमें कि मैं भलो फसल अमल करवा and how to save them. और से फसल में केमती रक्षा करवा from the insecticides, कीट पतंग मानक ठारू. In agriculture, it is of two types. One kind is your fertilizer. Saro, fertilizers, and the second step is to save them from the insects, means insecticides, fertilizers and insecticides. All these things are chemicals, and these are made by the use of chemical techniques. Fertilizers are like your urea. All of you know the fertilizer urea. It is your ammonium sulfate. your ammonium nitrate, and your DAP fertilizer, diaminophosphate, your IV DAP, diaminophosphate, and there are also many other fertilizers. So it is about your fertilizers. Next come to your insecticides. Insecticides are as follows: your DDT, you know, it is diphenyl trichloroethyl, your DDT, and Gamaxin, that is another Gamaxin. It is called benzene hexachloride. Gamaxin has the chemical name BHC, benzene hexachloride. There is also is aldrin. That is it. There are so many insecticides: DDT, Gamaxin, aldrin, and many all. So they are in the field of agriculture, and amenities of life. In amenities of life. Amenities of life means your body spray like this, soaps, and your detergents, तुम्हारा साबुन और सर्फ नाम है, soaps and detergents, and your powder it is. So these are part of the amenities of life. Next, number 4. In the construction of houses, nowadays we make or we construct the concrete houses, that is buildings. For this purpose we need rods. These iron rods, this lower rod from iron, and iron is extracted from the ores. Iron ore iron को extract करो, and we prepare rods and many household items and cements. Rods, cements, it is in the houses. Number 5. In medicines. Different types of medicines. We need medicines for our health, to keep a good health, or to save from the diseases. रोगों में रक्षा पाया पे हम use करो different types of medicines. Now see, the medicines are of different kinds, like your antipyretics. To save from fevers, at high fever, to lower the body temperature, we need the antipyretic drugs. Next, antiseptics. Or take antiseptics These are medicines to save from cuts and wounds. काटी गले बा घा गले क्षत गले हम यूज करू एंटीसेप्टिक्स. एंड थर्ड पार्ट एंटीबायोटिक्स. Antibiotics. Next, 4 is your first is your antibiotics, antiseptics, antibiotics, and analgesics. Analgesics. Medicine. And there are also different types of medicines also. And sixth one is your in polymers. In polymers, chemistry find the vast application, that is plastics and rubbers. These are called the polymers. And